Next, we have lined up Aerostrovilos. They're developing low emission fuel flexible turbines meant to be used in heavy duty long haul trucks. They're currently working with almost 80% of the Indian truck suppliers to get their solution validated. An IIT Madras alumni started company. They have received initial seed investment from Tube Investment, a Murugappa Group company. Would like to invite Rohit from Aerostrovilos Energy to get started.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Umesh. Thanks for the introduction. Hello, everyone. I'm Rohit. I'm co-founder of Aerostrovilos. So we are an ITM incubated company working out of NCCRD lab over there, which is the world's biggest combustion center, where we are building this fuel flexible turbine. It's like a miniaturized form of a jet engine that we're developing for trucks. So I think we talked about investment. So we have totally till now raised about 5 crores. Now, quickly, let me come to the problem statement. So we are trying to electrify the trucks for developing nations. And why are we talking about that? So let's say look at the developed countries today. The cars, the lowest hanging fruit would take up until 2030 to reach a certain penetration level, and trucks are another 2 decades away for them thereafter. So in India, we are talking about something like 2070 before an electric truck solution be even available here. So, but there are immediate challenges to be addressed when we look at from emission climate change perspective, and trucks do form around 10 to 12% of road pollution today. So we are offering this turbine generator solution to the OEMs who will be building these heavy duty trucks using this, and they will be saving about $500 million directly by leapfrogging a few emission norms where they end up spending quite a significant amount of money. They will be able to make a truck which will have better payback, more savings for their customer, and then going forward, a carbon credit scheme which could result in improved saving for everyone going forward. So this is going to be like a hybrid vehicle. So we are building the turbine generator. You can think of it as from an existing engine, existing truck, you take out the IC engine components, add an electric powertrain, a turbine generator which will generate electricity using fuel. So overall, compared to today's diesel trucks, it will be able to increase the payload, carrying capacity, the mileage, and offer ability to run with alternative and cleaner fuels, even also reducing the emissions significantly compared to today's BS6 standards. So there are 3 key advantages of our patent. One is the emissions, one is the fuel flexibility, and the other third advantage that we have is of reducing the cost of the turbine significantly compared to conventional turbine manufacturing practices. So the market that we are targeting is for heavy duty vehicles more than 19-ton gross vehicle weight, and turbine sales to the OEMs in India would be about a $5 billion market. In developing nations, easily about $75 billion market. So we will be selling our turbines through a royalty contract with the manufacturer, and TII will be our partner over there. So we will be getting revenue of 2 lakh per turbine sale, and the target volume of 5,000 per OEM is what we expect. So there are 2 key OEMs, Ashok Leyland and Tata Motors, and we are working with both of them. We are already starting our initial pilot trials with Ashok Leyland in the coming quarter. And going forward, we are expecting, start our initial alpha and beta sales over the next 12 to 18 months, clocking a revenue of 30 crores with direct sales. And going forward, we'll be actually scaling up through the royalty route, where we expect, increase revenue going forward. So we are raising around 30 crores for this. Money will be developing the product. Majority of the money will go into product development, and small amount of money would go into setting up a small production facility for this beta sales that we talked about. So we have we are 2 co-founders. I come from IIT Madras, and Pradeep has around 10 to 12 years of experience in manufacturing and supplying those heavy equipments to OEMs. And we also have mentors and advisors from industry and academia in this particular space. And we have a team of about 10 members who are currently working on the engineering of the product. Yeah, done.
Thank you so much, Rohit.